In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off Google Calendar notifications. If you're tired of pop-ups and reminders interrupting your day, this quick walkthrough will help you silence them in a clean, reliable way while keeping all your events intact. Start by opening Google Calendar in your web browser. Make sure you're signed in to the Google account that you use for your calendar, especially if you juggle more than one account. Once the calendar loads, look to the top right corner of the page for the small gear icon. That's the Settings menu. Click the gear, then choose Settings from the dropdown. This takes you to the main settings page where you can manage everything related to how your calendar behaves. On the left-hand side, you'll see a list of sections. Find and select Notification Settings. This area centralizes the controls for what alerts you receive and how you receive them. It's a good place to pause for a moment and confirm you're adjusting the right account if you keep multiple calendars. Within Notification Settings, look for the option labeled Notifications. This is the master control. Set it to off. When you switch this off, Google Calendar stops sending you notifications for events, reminders, and tasks from this account in your current browser. Your events, invites, and schedules remain exactly the same. You're simply removing the interruptions. The change saves automatically, so there's nothing extra you need to confirm. After turning notifications off, you can return to your calendar or close the Settings tab. If you still see a lingering alert, give the page a quick refresh. Sometimes the last notification was already queued before you made the change. Going forward, you won't receive pop-up notifications from Google Calendar in this browser for this account. A few quick tips to keep in mind. If you switch between multiple Google accounts, you'll want to repeat these steps for any other account whose notifications you'd like to silence. If you ever want notifications back, follow the same path. Open Google Calendar, click the gear icon to go to Settings, head to Notification Settings, and toggle notifications back to on. Also, if you use Google Calendar on another device or in a different browser, notification behavior may follow that device's settings, so adjust there as needed. That's all it takes to turn off Google Calendar notifications. Simple, clean, and effective. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you stay focused on what matters most.